Okay, so today we're going to work on the preparation of a French press. French press uses the coffee and steeps the coffee for approximately 4 minutes. So the first thing that we always do is we put a little bit of warm water into our carafe, and we make sure that that glass of that carafe is heated up so we don't cool down the coffee when we pour the water back into it. Then we're going to add approximately 54 grams of a coarse ground coffee into the French press. And then with that, we're going to go ahead and add the full 900 grams of water. Basically, you're going to fill it up to the top. And we're just going to kind of keep that going. You can swirl it around a little bit to get it evenly wetting, but you're going to use the stir stick here in a minute anyways. And we're getting close. And there we go. And from there, we're going to give it a little stir, get it all mixed up nice and good. And we start the clock so we can get to the 4 minutes. And I'll go ahead and put the cap on it and just set it aside. So now the coffee has been steeping for our 4 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and push the plunger down nice and slowly. And with that, we are ready to pour our coffee and enjoy it.